We'll guide you through how to connect and use 2 or more headphones at the same time on a PC or laptop. If you find this useful, then consider subscribing and liking the video. This is convenient to do if you're with multiple people. Make sure they're connected, whether that's via Bluetooth or the cable. Next, we do need to get an app to do this. So open up a web browser of your choice and you need to go and search for virtual audio cable like so, and you can come to the site. At the top, press download and you can then go and download it here. When it goes and downloads, you then need to go and head to your file explorer, into your downloads, and you need to go and run the installer. After you've gone and installed it, right click on the sound icon in the bottom right and press sound settings. You need to make sure you go and select line 1, virtual audio cable. Next, you can go and press search at the bottom and go and type in audio repeater MME and click on it. You'll get this pop-up. You need to come to wave out and you need to go and select one of the headphones. I'll select these here. Then you need to go and right click on your task manager and open up another. Keep repeating this until you go and have all the different headphones selected. When you've got them open, go and press start. That's it. When you play stand, it'll go through them.